everyone, this is Onyx Angel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove hot wax from a warmer. So first you need cotton balls. If you don't have cotton balls, that's okay. You can use toilet paper, paper towels, anything absorbent really. Preferably something that's disposable. So you're really gonna take the cotton ball and just drop it in there. Depending on how big the warmer is, you might need to use 2. So we'll use 2, and then absorbs it up, and then you just throw it away. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, share, and thank you guys so much for watching the video. If there's any other videos that you would like to see me do, feel free to post it in the comments below.